The United States is set to make history this June by hosting the T20 Cricket Men's World Cup for the first time. In a display of support for Pakistan ahead of the highly anticipated T20 World Cup 2024, US Envoy Donald Blome hosted the Green Shirts national cricket team for a meet and greet at the embassy here on Monday, 29th April 2024. The ambassador welcomed the national team players and accompanying Pakistan Cricket Board Chairman Mohsin Naqvi at his residence and extended his best wishes to the players for their upcoming T20 Cricket World Cup matches in the United States. In dual gestures of sports diplomacy, Ambassador Blome presented the team members with a commemorative embassy cricket ball and autographed softball bat. The Pakistani team reciprocated by presenting the ambassador with a signed cricket bat and team jersey. The ambassador then participated in an impromptu cricket demonstration with members of the national team.